Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to game capture in CS2 and CSGO. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. Right-click on Properties and select Advanced Users. Copy the command from the description. Paste it in the box. Then close and click Play. And open CS2. It will then show up on your game capture. But there won't be any display capture because I'm going to have my display cut. The theme was recorded using this method, and the game capture shows it loading, followed by CS2 being on the game capture now. Therefore, all you guys need to do is right-click Properties, select Advanced Tools, and then paste it in the instructions description. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.